Imagine a future where the roar of engines and the thunder of guns are replaced by the hum of drones and the whir of robots. Can robots replace soldiers on the battlefield? This question might seem far-fetched, but let's delve a little deeper. We're living in an age where technological advancements are reshaping the way we fight and defend. Robots, once merely the stuff of science fiction, are now playing a significant role in modern warfare. They're not just tools. They're evolving into strategic assets that could potentially change the rules of engagement. From reconnaissance drones buzzing in the sky to unmanned tanks rolling on the ground, the face of the battlefield is changing. But it's not just about the hardware. It's about the fusion of artificial intelligence, robotics, and military strategy. This convergence could redefine the future of warfare. It's a future that's not only possible but also imminent. This isn't science fiction, it's the reality of the 21st century. Welcome to the era of robotic warfare. Robotic technology is not a distant dream, but a present reality. So, how advanced is it? Well, let's delve into the world of robotic technology to find out. We're seeing a paradigm shift in the way we perceive robotics. What was once confined to the realms of science fiction is now a tangible reality. Let's start with autonomous drones. These are not your average backyard flying machines. These drones, equipped with advanced AI, can make decisions on their own. They can identify targets, navigate complex terrains, and even coordinate with other drones. They are being used extensively for surveillance, mapping, and in some cases, precision strikes. Next, we have bomb disposal robots. These machines are saving lives every day by doing the dangerous job of detecting and defusing explosive devices. They are remotely controlled and equipped with cameras and tools to handle a wide range of explosive devices. They can go places where it's too risky for humans, keeping our soldiers safe. Then, there are robotic exoskeletons. Imagine a suit that can make you stronger, faster, and more resilient. That's what a robotic exoskeleton does. It enhances human capabilities, allowing soldiers to carry heavy loads, move at increased speeds, and even help in rehabilitation. Now, as for the countries leading in this field, the United States, China, Russia, and Israel are at the forefront. The United States is leading in autonomous drone technology and robotic exoskeletons. China, on the other hand, is heavily investing in AI and autonomous systems. Russia is also developing autonomous combat vehicles and drones, while Israel is renowned for its advanced drone technology. Robotic technology is not just about machines. It's about creating systems that can think, learn, and adapt. It's about creating a new kind of warfare, where machines and humans work together, each enhancing the other's capabilities. We're at a stage where we're only beginning to scratch the surface of what's possible. But one thing is clear. Robots are already changing the face of warfare, but this is just the tip of the iceberg. If robots are already playing such a significant role, what might the future hold? Let's dive into the potential of robot soldiers in the context of military applications. We're talking about a future where robotic technology could take over tasks traditionally carried out by humans on the battlefield. The advantages are evident: fewer human casualties, increased efficiency, and the ability to execute missions that may be too dangerous for humans. Imagine a soldier who doesn't tire, doesn't feel fear, and can operate in extreme conditions without faltering. That's a robot soldier. They could be deployed in hostile environments, defuse bombs, or carry out reconnaissance missions without risking human lives. This isn't science fiction. It's a very real possibility. However, as with all technological advancements, there are ethical implications to consider. The idea of autonomous weapons able to make life or death decisions without human intervention raises serious questions. What happens if they malfunction or fall into the wrong hands? These are potential risks that need to be addressed. Moreover, there's the issue of accountability. If a robot soldier makes a mistake, who is held responsible? The operator, the manufacturer, or the military? These ethical quandaries are just as important as the technological advancements themselves. The future of warfare could be radically different, with robots playing a central role. But as we march towards this new era, It's crucial to remember that the potential of robot soldiers extends beyond their battlefield capabilities. It also lies in our ability to control, regulate, and use them responsibly. So, are we on the brink of a robotic revolution in warfare? We've journeyed through the present state of robotics, marveling at the advancements we've made. We've speculated about their potential military applications, painting a picture of a future battlefield. We've also shed light on the risks and rewards that come with this uncharted territory. As we stand on the precipice of this new era, one thing is clear: the future of warfare will be shaped not just by human soldiers, but by their robotic counterparts.